Alright, good morning Double Dippers from World of Disney. We're here in a mostly empty World of Disney this morning, and we're about to head outside for a cast member only discounted event that they're doing for us, and we'll go right now. Here is a cast member only event where we get a additional discount on select items which are out here in the parking lot for World of Disney, as well as our regular discount. So we have like the train over here. There's a monorail. You know, I can actually just show you. Here's the full list. It's like this train we get for $30. Loungefly is $55. I actually just bought this monorail the other day. I got it 75% off though, so slightly better, I believe. Here's the ear selection. All these are $15 plus additional 20% off. They have a bunch of Loungeflies that I showed on that paper. The Jungle Cruise, Hungry Hungry Hippos, Yahtzee, Villain Clue, Puzzles, and Monorail. And then the Wishables of Mickey and Minnie. Alright, so we're back in here. One of the added benefits of this event is being able to shop in World of Disney with next to nobody in here. But all the stuff inside here is just a regular 20% off. Only the stuff outside was an additional $50. But this is what I'm looking to get. Just Clue Villain Edition. Disney Railroad, because I just got the monorail, as I said, outside. Then the wow, Dapper Dan Loungefly, the Evault Balloon Loungefly, the Iridescent Loungefly, and Mickey Mouse. Since we're rarely in here, I thought I'd show off some merchandise that we haven't seen. I haven't seen this, what does this say? Haunted Mansion. A tomb with a view. I can't check prices because my hands are kind of full, but they also have Haunted Mansion sweatpants. It's like trucker style hat, tank top. Oh, this is new. A like hoodie crop kind of thing. I don't know if it's a crop. It kind of looks like a, I don't know. It's not quite short enough to be what I consider a crop, but maybe it still is. The Madame Leota one. These deck of cards have been around a while. These gray sweatpants. The Spirit jersey. Oh, they have Crocs now. Crocs are cool. Alright, so we ended up with 3 items, mainly for my mom. There wasn't a whole lot in there that was too exciting. The monorail would have been more exciting had I not already purchased one. I think I'm going to go check out Cast Connections, which is the other discount store, but I'm not allowed. As far as I'm aware, I'm not allowed to film in there, so I won't be filming in there. And I'm realizing I'm walking towards the wrong garage because I parked in Grapefruit because you're required to park in cast member parking for this event. But I got the train, I got a Loungefly, the Iridescent Loungefly, and I got a Wishable Mickey for Kona because it was like $6. The Loungeflies were pretty cool, but Anna and I both have 2 already, so I didn't think we really needed any more. So I left that alone, except for the one my mom wanted. And yeah, this was an interesting little event. I wish it would have been 50% off all merchandise. That would have made it a little more exciting. But it's just these random pallets they have out in the parking lot here. Also, they let us use mobile checkout, and it actually applied the additional discounts. Also, I just love the whole ramp over here. I'm holding this with one hand. I didn't bring the tripod because I wanted to be able to put it in my pocket because I didn't know how crazy this was going to be or what it was going to be, because they didn't really specify on the hub, which is where we get all our information from, if you don't know. But yeah, sorry I was so quiet earlier. It was also early in the morning and lots of people nearby, so just trying to get in, get out, and yeah, I'm definitely sunburned, so that's great. But I'm heading out now, and I'm gonna figure out how to do so. So yeah, this is what it looks like as we walk past.
Oh, okay.
They just changed the sign around, and it was interesting because it said breakfast and tours as one of the options. I should have videoed it. And then event guests, but I don't know why there's such a long line to get in the park right now. We're gonna go see Jeremy Camp, but I don't know what else everybody else is doing because they should already. I mean, we're just running behind because it is 7:44, so we're not doing too great on the time. But I wouldn't expect all these other people to be going the same place we are. Wow, our doubles. I don't even know what I said. Our double dippers. We are here at Epcot. We're going to go see Jeremy Camp in the American Adventure Theater. We probably could have taken a boat over there. I don't know if the boats are still running, and I don't know how fast they run. So we're just walking, because that seems to be the good old-fashioned method of getting back there. But it is Food and Wine Festival, which we haven't really talked about. We didn't eat anything from the Food and Wine Festival last time we were here. So just overall, you know, we gotta try some stuff at some point, but we're not quite there yet. We'll definitely do it because, yeah, they've been out all day actually. So full disclosure, I was working here this morning, and they had a not scissor lift, not a forklift either, like what you'd use to, like a bucket lift kind of. I'm sure there's a better term for it. Out on the water, they had to put it on some sort of barge, float it out there to fix something, and float it back out, because I saw them when I was leaving, packing it up back behind Mexico and taking it away. It was very interesting. It seems like they're maintaining that thing all day. I don't know if that's a regular occurrence or if it just wasn't working today. But anyway, like I was saying, we didn't really try anything from Food and Wine Festival, so we'll have to do that at some point in the near future. Probably not tonight, because we're gonna go see the show and then it's gonna be like harmonious time, so much everything's gonna be closed already. But definitely gonna happen. A lot of the food options sound really good and a lot better than the Flower and Garden Festival. Flower and Garden Festival was fun, and I enjoyed the concerts for it. That's another thing I noticed on the standees that they have. They don't list all the artists anymore like they did for Flower and Garden, and I'm wondering if that's because some of the artists canceled or rescheduled, and so they just got tired of having guests complain about them not performing that night, so they just didn't put them up for this festival. But you can check on their website, and should be all up to date there. Anyway, we are we're passing Norway now, so we're getting pretty close to the American Adventure Pavilion, and we've got 6 minutes before the show. Alright, Double Dippers, that's going to do it for today's video. It is the next day now. Kona fell asleep after we went to go see the show, so we just headed out of the park. We didn't do much after that. So with all that being said, I hope you enjoyed watching. I know we enjoyed making it, and we hope to see you in the next video.